Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here in All-in-One Profits, the Rotator Club. Okay, I'm in my back office of All-in-One Profits. What I want to do today is just make a quick video and show you a trick I learned this morning on how to raise your conversions in All-in-One Profits. Okay, let me show you what it looks like when people opt into your page. Right, they get sent to a company thank you page. You guys have seen this page, I'm sure. All right, this is my capture page, right? Let me just opt into my capture page and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the generic company page that everybody sees when they opt into your page. I mean, I can barely read it. The writing's so small. You know, you can change this, guys. Okay, you're gonna get more conversions if you make your own capture page. You're gonna get more conversions. Let me show you exactly how to set that up. Let's go back to All-in-One Profits. Okay, go to Toolbox. You want to go to Splash Builder, and you want to build another page. Okay, I built one this morning real quick just to make this video, just to show you guys. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. Okay, that's one I made. I made that this morning. I don't even know if I finished this one. I didn't finish this one, but you know, same thing. Just messing around with it. You know, you can make a nice capture page here. I mean, a nice thank you page. The most important thing you want on your thank you page, guys. See, I put like a banner here. I was messing around. This is actually a clickable banner that you can put on this page. It'll actually take you to my rotator link. But you don't want to do that on a thank you page, guys. You don't want to distract anybody. The main thing about this thank you page is you want them to go and opt into your list. Okay, see it says here an email has been sent to your inbox. Make sure you confirm your subscription. That's the whole point of this thank you page, guys, is to get them over there without being distracted and get them to confirm that they opted into your list. Okay, I made a quick one with the splash page builder too. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. Let me get over here. I just made it real quick. I'm gonna make these better. You know, you get in there, mess around with them, make them better. See, thank you for opting in. You'll be receiving an email to confirm your subscription. Check your spam folder. I'll do everything I can to help you. This is the best online business available today. Okay, you want to get them over to click on that email that was sent to them. You know, you want to make sure that they go over there and confirm that subscription. Let me show you how to set it up. Okay, let me go to, wait, let me get this link first. Hold on. Might as well do this while I'm here. Okay, let me go back to All-in-One Profits. What you want to do to set this up, guys, you want to go to the toolbox, go to autoresponder. Then you want to go to the campaign that you want to, you know, to put the thank you page in. You want to put one in all of them, okay? But, you know, if you only have one campaign, you only want to put one. The way you do it is like this. You go to press go to activate the campaign. Okay, then you want to go to account, edit settings. Now, when you're in edit settings, you're going to see a thing that says sign up URL. That's where you want to paste your thank you page link. Okay, paste it in there and press change. Okay, now you see it there? Okay, now we'll get out of here. Let's go test it now. You got to test everything, guys. Always test everything. Let's go to the page I used before. All right, now we're going to opt in again and see if we get the page. Now it should take me to that thank you page. See that? Took me right there. Now if I go to my mailbox, I should have the confirmation. Oh, see here it is. You have a new prospect. Oh no, please confirm your subscription. Hold on a second. There it is. Please confirm your subscription. Took a minute to come. So I confirm. I get another little thank you for confirming. And then the first message should be here. Okay, there's my first message. And that's the first message from the series. All right, so that's how we know it's working. So that's how you do it, guys. Very simple. Once you know how to do it, you get in here and build a page. Or on Splash Wizard, it's even easier if you remember Splash Wizard. But you just go in here and build a little page. Thank you, an email has been sent. Make sure you confirm your subscription. That's the most important line of the thank you page right here. Okay, that's the whole point, is to get them over there to click that link. Another way to get more conversions, guys, when you're sending out an email, let's say you're sending out an email blast, right? You want to, we got to write an interesting subject line for the email, right? Because we want to get them to open that email. So that's the most important thing. That's the first step, right? To have a nice subject line that's going to make them want to click it. It could be anything. Let's say, man bites dog, whatever, right? Now, once they click on that link, on the thing to open the email, now they see a big email there. Let's face it. Most people aren't going to click. They're not going to read that email. So what you want to do, and I've tested this, guys, so this works. You want to take part of that subject line. Let's say it was just man bites dog, right? You want to write man bites dog, highlight it, and use that to put your link. Because they'll see that again when they're looking at the email, and they'll click it again, and that'll bring them to the capture page. Okay? That's just a little trick. Okay, and I've tested it, and it works. It will increase your conversions. All right, guys? So that's just another little trick. Also, when you're writing an email, don't be too salesy. You want to just, what I do sometimes, look, we all fall victim to this. I write all these emails, this is the best thing, blah, 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 People recognize that you're trying to be salesy with them. What you want to do is sit down and make believe you're talking to your two best friends that you grew up with, or your two best friends in the world, and you want to write the email just like you would describe it to them. Hey guys, I think you should take a look at this. This is something that I've been using. You want it to be just like you would talk to your best friend. Once you want to connect with the people reading the email, they can tell when you're trying to just be a salesman to or if you're trying to connect with them. They can get the feel from reading the email. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. Get inside the Facebook group. I'm going to put this video in there for the team to take a look at real quick. And it'll be in the training section at totalteambuilder.com for the Rotator Club members. All right, guys. So I'll see you inside. Okay, get on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Like this video, please. If you can, it helps the whole team. All right. Give this video a thumbs up on YouTube. And I'll see you guys inside. Thanks, guys.